Anybody want a fidget spinner from this guy, Thomas? All you have to do is like, subscribe, turn notifications on, and boom! Get a fidget spinner. Comment down below first. You need to do it first. Whoever comments first and say I subscribed or something like that, anything, boom, boom. I need some honest people, or I'll be deleting my YouTube channel. So yeah. So who wants one of these? Who wants one of these bad boys? Who wants one? Who wants one? Jeez. Whoever really wants one of these gets one. Jesus. That's all you have to do. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take a cap off the fidget spinner. Caps off the fidget spinner. So all you do, take this flathead screwdriver, put it through, and then just pop it off. Pop, hold on, pop, then boom. Both of them should come out just like that. Then you should have this right here. Then you can still spin it, and you can do this trick on YouTube. You should find it on YouTube. I'm not going to do it because I can't find anything to do it with. Please don't unsubscribe or anything like that, because I'm just so excited for this video. So yeah, please don't unsubscribe or dislike this video. Please don't. It's because I'm just so excited to get my Bluetooth speaker fidget spinner. I'm so excited. And it comes in another week, buddy. Okay, so that's how you take off the caps of a fidget spinner. So if you liked, please sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn those notifications on. And how you do that, press the little bell next to the subscribe button. Wait, after you subscribe, you should see a little bell. Tap that thing right there. Tap it. Just tap it. All you need to do. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn those notifications on to win one of these babies. Comment down below I subscribed, and turn notifications on, and like your videos. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.